Space tourism, the future of vacationing beyond Earth. Imagine buying a ticket, not to Paris, not to Dubai, but to outer space. Vacations where you float instead of walk, see 16 sunsets a day, and stare down at Earth like a glowing marble. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, space tourism is no longer a fantasy. It's here, it's real, and it might become normal sooner than you think. Space tourism simply means traveling beyond Earth for fun, for adventure, or even luxury. Unlike astronauts going on missions, space tourists don't need years of training. Companies are now building spacecraft just for regular people, if you have the money. There are actually three types of space tourism. Suborbital flights, short trips where you reach space and float for a few minutes. Orbital flights, you circle the Earth like satellites. Future plans, space hotels, and trips to the Moon or Mars. The first ever space tourist wasn't a celebrity or a billionaire tech founder. It was Dennis Tito, an American millionaire who paid $20 million in 2001 to fly aboard a Russian Soyuz rocket and stay at the International Space Station for 8 days. Back then, people thought he was crazy. Today, he looks like a trendsetter. Old footage of Dennis Tito, ISS images, rocket launch animation. Space tourism is now controlled by a few powerful companies racing to make space travel as casual as booking a flight. 1. SpaceX. Elon Musk's company wants to fly tourists around the Moon and even to Mars in the future using the Starship rocket. 2. Blue Origin. Owned by Jeff Bezos, this company already sends paying customers on suborbital flights with its New Shepard rocket. 3. Virgin Galactic. Richard Branson's company offers zero-gravity rides and views of Earth from the edge of space. These companies aren't just competing. They're changing history. Right now, space isn't cheap, but prices are slowly dropping. Virgin Galactic, $450,000 per ticket. Blue Origin, average seats auctioned over $1 million. SpaceX orbital missions, up to $55 million per seat. Expensive? Yes. Impossible? Not for long. Just like air travel used to be for only the rich, space trips might one day be affordable for many. So what does a space vacation actually look like? You'll float in zero gravity. Look down at Earth's curve. See endless stars without atmosphere. Watch 16 sunrises and sunsets a day. Take photos no one else can match. Future plans include space restaurants, gyms, research tours, and even weddings. Yes, people are literally building hotels in space. Orbital Assembly Corporation is working on Voyager Station, a rotating space hotel that may open in the early 2030s. It's planned to include artificial gravity, luxury suites, bars and restaurants, entertainment zones. Imagine waking up with a window view of Africa, eating dinner while looking at stars, and falling asleep floating in bed. Companies don't want to stop at Earth's orbit. The next step? The Moon. SpaceX has announced a mission called Dear Moon, where a group of artists and creators will fly around the Moon for a week-long journey. In the distant future, Mars tourism may become real too, though that's decades away. Space tourism isn't all fun and floating. There are serious challenges. Radiation exposure, launch and re-entry risks, no rescue teams, lack of medical help, space debris and micrometeorites, physical stress on the body. Even with technology, space is still dangerous. But companies are improving safety every year. Will regular people go one day? Yes, but not immediately. As technology improves and more rockets are made, prices will drop. Just like how only the super rich used to fly in airplanes. Now it's normal. In the next 20 to 30 years, middle-class people may buy space vacation packages instead of cruises or safaris. By 2050, we might see spaceports in different countries, space hotels orbiting Earth, honeymoon trips to the Moon, students taking zero-gravity tours, research vacations. Humanity is no longer stuck to one planet. Space is becoming part of our travel map. So the real question is, would you go to space if you had the chance? Or is Earth good enough for you? Drop a comment, hit subscribe, and get ready, because your next vacation might just be among the stars.